Nick Aran is having his two nephews vaccinated for school, and pertussis or whooping cough is among the diseases from which they will be protected.
Because the kids are from Armenia and they come from the overseas and they need to have a vaccination for protect themselves and the students.
San Joaquin County saw only 2 cases in the first 6 months of last year, but 19 cases for the first part of this year. Stanislaus was even more dramatic with 19 cases last year, but soared to 55 this year. Overall, California has seen more than 1,300 cases through June of this year. Most often, vaccinations don't protect babies until they are 6 months old. So doctors are advising new parents and healthcare providers to be vaccinated so as not to spread the disease.
Now, this new vaccine that is available for older children and adults that protects people against whooping cough, if we can get a lot of people vaccinated, we can start to decrease the amount of whooping cough in the community.
Most of the whooping cough cases have been in the Latino community, 80% in fact, and they are the most at risk, although it's unclear why.
The 5 deaths have been in Latino infants under 6 months of age. Most of them were under 3 months of age.
Now, a new booster has come out for whooping cough, and it's recommended for older children as well as adults who might be around infants. Reporting live in Stockton, Rich Ibarra, KCRA 3 reports.